Hi, I'm Mike Lee. Today I want to talk about this term that I often heard about when I was much younger. It's called the iron rice bowl. This iron rice bowl relates to our job security, which also means that no matter what happens, we will not lose our job. Just like when you drop an iron rice bowl, it will never break. The question I would want to tackle today is to ask, is the iron rice bowl still relevant in today's employment landscape? My answer is that no jobs will ever give you, no company will ever give you a job that has certainty, job security that you are looking for if you are looking for iron rice bowl. Now, most of you would know that I come from the government sector. I spent close to 10 years in the government sector where it is known to be an iron rice bowl job. And over the years, I've also seen people being replaced in their jobs. Which is why I said that there is no jobs, no companies, no organizations who would give you that kind of job security that you are looking for. However, I believe that we can all create our own iron rice bowl. Now stay tuned for the next series of videos where I'll share with you how you can take a step-by-step approach on how you can create your own iron rice bowl. See you!